So the first thing you do is set the tool onto the saw. Now, to adjust the tool height, insert the carbide into the guide and into the chain. Tighten the outside knobs. Pull the carbide out and pull the chain forward to the next tooth. Remove the carbide and insert it into the other guide. Loosen the outside knob to allow the carbide to slide into the chain. Retighten. Move the stop forward by tightening the rear thumb screw. Now to sharpen the tooth, turn the handle clockwise. As you turn the handle, the Timberline chainsaw sharpener is designed to produce a razor sharp edge. So now you can sharpen each tooth individually, and after a few cranks, pull the carbide back out and pull the chain through to the next tooth and sharpen again.